After the age of 40, losing weight can be a challenge for many people due to changes in metabolism, decreased physical activity, and a more sedentary lifestyle. However, this does not mean that it is impossible, and with a little effort and dedication, it is possible to achieve healthy and sustainable weight loss. The first thing that is important to keep in mind is that weight loss should not be rapid or extreme. A healthy weight loss is considered between 0.5 and 1 kilogram per week. Also, it's important to note that not all diets work the same for everyone, so it's important to find a diet that suits your individual needs and lifestyle. Diet is a key factor in weight loss, and it is important to eat nutritious, low-calorie foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It is important to limit your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats. Also, it's important to control portions and avoid overeating. Here are some more effective foods. Fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and are low in calories. This makes them ideal to include in a weight loss diet. Lean proteins. Protein is essential to maintain muscle mass and to aid in fat loss. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, lentils, and beans, are a good option to include in a weight loss diet. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread, are high in fiber and can help control blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, and can help control appetite and keep you feeling full. Low-fat dairy products, such as yogurt and milk, are high in protein and calcium, and can help control appetite. It is important to note that there is no one diet that works for everyone, so it is important to find an approach that suits your individual needs and lifestyle. Also, it's important to work with a health professional or nutritionist to make sure you're getting the right amount of nutrients and calories. Physical activity is also crucial for weight loss. Although it can be difficult to find time to exercise, it is important to do so on a regular basis. Physical activity not only helps burn calories, but also improves cardiovascular health and helps maintain muscle mass. It is recommended to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day, such as walking, running or swimming. Cardiovascular exercise, such as running, walking, biking, or swimming, is a great way to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Strength training is important for maintaining and increasing muscle mass, which can help increase metabolism and burn more calories. High-intensity workouts, such as interrupted training, are a great way to burn calories and improve fitness in a short amount of time. Yoga or Pilates. These exercises are great for strengthening and stretching muscles, improving flexibility, and reducing stress. Balance training is important to improve stability and prevent injuries. It is important to note that it is important to combine different types of exercises to achieve sustainable weight loss and improve overall health. It's also important to work with a health professional or personal trainer to make sure you're performing the exercises correctly and safely. In addition to diet and physical activity, it's also important to consider other habits that can affect weight loss, such as stress and sleep. Stress can increase cortisol levels, a hormone that can increase belly fat. Therefore, it is important to find effective ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or relaxation techniques. On the other hand, sleep is important for weight loss, as a lack of sleep can increase hunger levels and decrease the body's ability to burn calories. Therefore, it is important to try to sleep at least 7 hours a night. Another important factor for weight loss is having a positive and persevering mindset. Weight loss doesn't happen overnight, and it's important to be patient and consistent along the way. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep going and stay motivated. It is important to note that weight loss is not just a cosmetic issue, but also has a positive impact on health and well-being. A balanced diet and regular exercise routine can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Lastly, it is important to keep in mind that weight loss is a personal and unique journey for each person. There is no magic formula or one diet that works for everyone. Therefore, it is important to find an approach that suits your individual needs and lifestyle, and to work with a health professional if necessary. In short, losing weight after the age of 40 is possible with a combination of a balanced diet, regular physical activity, healthy habits, and a positive mindset. It's important to keep in mind that weight loss is a personal and unique process, so it's important to find an approach that works for you, and to have patience and perseverance along the way. With dedication and effort, it is possible to achieve a healthy and sustainable weight loss.